Hi, this is Michael Tallis with the Talis team. I'm standing in front of our latest listing. This time it is in San Mateo, 1561 Marina Court, Unit E. Let me turn the camera around and show the unit. The front entrance into the unit is from a courtyard between two buildings. It's a two-story townhome, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, and it's a great location. It's pretty quiet, close to the bay. It's located on the east side of 101, but it's probably not more than a 5-minute drive to get to 101. Great for commute. This is the entrance. Welcome in. The first place where we're entering is living room. The unit was freshly painted, new floors, and recessed lights were installed everywhere. It's an open floor plan with open kitchen. Dining area here. And the door is away to the patio, but we'll go there later. So the cooktop, the hood, the refrigerator, and the dishwasher are new. And also here is laundry. And there, around the corner, there is also furnace. As I mentioned, it's a 2-story townhome. All 3 bedrooms are upstairs. Here downstairs, there is also a half bath. And at the end of this hallway, we also have a Harry Potter closet. So it's space under the stairs. There is extra storage at the carport, and I'll show it to you later. So we're coming back to the front door, and let's go upstairs. I would say bedroom number 1. And here you have a closet for for this bedroom. Bedroom number 2. All bedrooms have a recessed lighting. New paint, new floors. And again, there is a closet here. Very traditional configuration. Bedroom number 3. And I think this is the largest bedroom. The main bathroom, the full bathroom, is here on the second floor. It is shower over tub configuration. And both vanities are new. So let's go back downstairs. And this way we can get to the backyard or patio. The patio was painted, as well as the shed. It's today the weather is absolutely amazing, and it's really nice being out here. And here through this gate, we can get back into the back alley. If you choose, you can enter the unit from this side too. You can see there at the end of the alley, you can see the street and the park. Each unit in this development is assigned one carport, just like this. And you can see doors in the back. These are storage units, also one per unit. And now let me show you the pool. There are two pools here. One is for everyone, and it goes from about 3.5 feet to 7.5 feet. And also there is a kiddie pool that is, 1.5 feet deep. It also has a grass area and lounge chairs. It's getting hot today, so it's very tempting to jump in. And adjacent to the pool is picnic area. And also from here you have access to the clubhouse. As I mentioned before, this condo is located really close to the bay. So there far away you can see fire station, athletic fields, and we're walking into Lakeshore Park. Well, basketball court, community center. And as we continue inside, there in the back is community center. Another view at basketball court and athletic fields. And here is Lakeshore Community Center. Playground. And now you can see the bay. There is even a little beach right here. Can't imagine that you're in the middle of the Bay Area, one of the most densely populated urban areas. Just look at this. Please come visit us at the open house this coming weekend. We will be open both days, Saturday and Sunday. The details are in the description of this video. Hope to see you then.